Hi everyone, I am Monica Dwadasi, a Salesforce certified. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to work with Salesforce TechWork. Today I am going to discuss about what is a lead. This topic consists of what is a lead and how leads are generated. So let's see, what is a lead? Leads are people who are interested in your product and service. Okay, so let me explain a small scenario. Like a new product is launched by some company. There will be n number of people shows interest on that product, but they don't actually buy or purchase it. So these people like who shows interest on that product, these people are called leads. So will the business success with leads? No, right? So what should we do? We convert qualified leads into customers. So who are qualified leads? Like to that company or to that business, there are some criteria like budget or time or how they show the interest. So if these leads, if they meet those criteria, they come under qualified leads. So when you find the qualified leads and when you convert these qualified leads into your potential customers, then your business will be success. So converting leads to a loyal customers will provide success within a business, right? So this whole process is achieved with the help of Salesforce CRM application under Sales Cloud. Okay, so in Salesforce, leads are people and companies that you have identified as potential customers. So here, not only the individual people, sometimes companies are also can be a leads. So leads are people and companies. Okay, so you can define leads in number of ways. Like you can define leads like potential customer. If you're talking about potential customer, is nothing but about a lead record. If you're talking about a potential sales contacts or potential sales opportunities, they are nothing about your lead records. So you can define leads in these ways. Okay, so now the information about leads is stored in lead object. So in Salesforce, we have a lead object where you can store your lead information in the form of lead records. So each person is called as a lead, right? So each person will have a each lead record in our Salesforce. Okay. Now, so how do we generate the leads? So as we told, we store the lead data in our Salesforce, right? So how do you generate this data? So you can find the leads in number of ways. Like you have a customer and this customer can refer some other lead. Like for yeah, so the sales represent can enter manually your lead record in your lead object. So that is a one way. And if the person who see your company website and go through the contact mobile number and calls to the sales represent and tells that I am interested in your product, so in that way also the lead is captured in your lead object. Or he may send an email to your company website. So from email through lead or web to lead. So so in this way you can capture your leads into your Salesforce. And there are some thing like you can capture leads through social media also. Like so these are the number of ways you can capture the leads. See, like capturing manually means the sales represent enter manually your lead record, and capturing leads automatically through your company website. So that is nothing but web to lead, and capturing leads automatically through LinkedIn in Salesforce, where Salesforce are already integrated your LinkedIn into your Salesforce application. So you can directly go into your setup under marketing. You have your lead LinkedIn generate leads. So if you go to that and you can generate your leads into your Salesforce from LinkedIn. And there is another thing like social listening tools. So the nothing but it is a social studio from our marketing cloud. So from marketing cloud social studio you can integrate Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by integrating them you can capture leads from social studio and automatically you can store the data into your lead object in Salesforce. So these are the number of ways where you can generate your leads into your Salesforce lead object. So by this you understood like what is a lead and how do you generate leads and how you can store your lead data in your Salesforce, right? So go through this reference to know about your leads and how you can generate your leads in detail. Hmm? Thank you and please subscribe to Salesforce Tech Book.